To start with the subtopics of differential costing, the very first topic is determination of most profitable level of production. We'll be having different options, we'll be having different levels of production. Out of these, we need to tell that which level is the most profitable one. So, we need to make out the statement showing the incremental revenues and differential cost. As I told you earlier, that level is taken to be the most optimal where our incremental revenues are more than the differential cost. So we'll start with question number 31. The question is, a company has the capacity of making 30,000 units per annum. Prepare a statement to show incremental revenue and differential cost using the following information. We are having three different levels: output up to 15,000 units, output up to 25,000 units, and output up to 30,000 units. These three levels are given in the question. According to this, we need to make our statement. Fixed cost is given to be 15,000, 16,000 and 19,500 respectively. Variable cost per unit is given. Similarly, sales revenue per unit is given. So let's start with the question. We will be making out statement showing incremental revenues and differential cost. Here we are using the word differential cost because we don't know it can be incremental cost or decremental cost. Output in units, that is given to be 15,000, 25,000 and 30,000 units. Then sales in rupees. Sales revenue per unit is given in the question. We'll calculate it. 15,000 multiplied by 4 comes to be 60,000. Similarly, 25,000 multiplied by 3.80, 95,000, and 30,000 multiplied by 3.80, 1,14,000. Then variable cost in rupees. We are having per unit variable cost. Similarly, variable cost in totality will be calculated by multiplying output with per unit cost. It comes to be 45,000, 75,000 and 91,500. Then fixed cost, that is already given in the question. 15,000, 16,000, 19,500. So we'll calculate our total cost, that is the total of variable cost and fixed cost. 45,000 plus 15,000, 60,000. 75,000 plus 16,000, 91,000. 91,500 plus 19,500, 1,11,000. We have calculated the total cost. We have already calculated the sales. Now we will be calculating incremental revenues and differential cost, which will be calculated as incremental revenues in the first level, it will be dash, then 95,000 minus 60,000, 35,000, 1,14,000 minus 95,000 comes to be 19,000. So we have calculated our incremental revenues. Similarly, differential cost will be calculated. In the first year it will be dash, then 91,000 minus 60,000, 31,000, and next 1,11,000 minus 91,000, 20,000. We are done with incremental revenues and differential cost. Now, which level is taken to be the most profitable one? We need to compare incremental revenues and differential cost. At the output units 25,000, our incremental revenues are 35,000 and differential cost is 31,000. Means our revenues are more than differential cost. So, we are having profits here. When it comes to 30,000 units, our incremental revenues are 19,000, but our differential cost is 20,000. Means at this level, our cost is more than our revenue. The change in cost is more than change in revenues. So our optimal level is this, where our incremental revenues are more than the differential cost. Therefore, most profitable level is $25,000 units, because here incremental revenue is more than the differential cost. So you people need to remember, when we will be calculating incremental revenues and differential cost, whenever your incremental revenues are less than the differential cost, the level prior to it, where your incremental revenues were more than the differential cost, that level is to be taken as the most profitable level. As in this question, we have taken this level as the most profitable one. For your practice, you can do question number 30, 32 and 33. These are of the same kind as question number 31. It is very easy to calculate our incremental revenues and differential cost, and again I am telling you that level is taken to be the most profitable level, where our incremental revenues are more than differential cost. If it is equal to differential cost or less than differential cost, that is not the profitable one. As you can see in this question number 30th, when we calculate our incremental revenue and differential cost, it comes to be same. So here our most profitable level is taken to be 25,000 units. And if you will be asked to calculate profits at the most profitable level, you can calculate it. You are having the sales and cost of that level, subtracting the cost from the sales, you will get profits at that level. So here, if in this question you will be asked to find out the profits at the most profitable level, that will be profits equals to 25,000 units. We are working at this level. Sales minus variable cost, that comes to be the contribution, less fixed cost. Then our sales are 95,000 minus variable cost minus fixed cost. So it comes to be rupees 4,000. This is to be done if it is asked in the question. That's it. We are done with the question and the very first subtopic of differential cost. Thank you.